Hello guys, today I've got the Motorola Edge 70 Pro and we're going to go through the charging not working fix. So, at first you need to check the charger and the cable first. This is the most common cause. Try a different USB Type-C cable, a different wall charger, and a different power socket. If it starts charging with another setup, your original charger or cable is the issue. So actually before starting the best fixes apart from this charger and cable, don't panic. Most cases are actually caused by dirt, software glitches or temperature protection, not permanent damage. So after this charger and a cable, we can go to the real fixes. Inspect and clean the USB Type-C charging port. So, zoom in. Use the flashlight or some magnifying glass. I recommend actually using the magnifying glass because here, for example, I got the camera and I can zoom in here. But if you probably don't have any camera that you can zoom in, so you need to use a magnifying glass. So use a flashlight, flash inside, and check if you have any debris. Clean it with non-metallic tools and some brushes and some isopropyl alcohol. Remember to use this isopropyl alcohol because it doesn't transfer the power, unlike water or some other substances. And I'm actually talking straight from experience because I've had my iPhone 16 Pro for almost 2 years actually now, 1.5, and I thought that my charging port broke because of my incompetence when charging or something like that. Because my phone is constantly falling off my desk when charging, and this cable is trying to survive or hold my phone, but it can't. And it couldn't charge in most actually scenarios, and I was panicking. But my colleague told me that just look inside the USB Type-C port, and we looked in the charging port actually with each other, and you don't want to imagine how dirty it was. And it was because of the tea that I spilled, for example, and the charging port was just dirty because of that, because all the dirt that was stored in the charging port before just was sticky and just glued inside, and it just stayed there instead of falling out or something like that. And it was that difficult to clean, you can't even imagine that. So I actually recommend to do it. So of course remember to turn off the phone while while cleaning. Just to be aware. You need to be aware of that. Apart from that, check for moisture or overheating. On my iPhone, I've got this notification that my phone can't charge because it detected liquid inside, but it doesn't probably have it. So the phone may block charging if the phone is too hot or it detects moisture in the port. So fix. Some fix. So let the phone cool for 10 to 20 minutes. Keep it in a dry environment and try again later. Number 4 is to restart the phone. Hold the power and volume up and tap restart. Temporary system glitches can stop charging detection, actually, so And remember about this cleaning. The cleaning, actually, keeping your phone clean is the top one thing that you need to remember in your life, actually. Maybe not top one, but it's better to be early than sorry, right? Safe. It was safe, not. Yes, you know what I mean. It's better to be safe than sorry. So apart from that, try a different power source. Sometimes the issue is not the phone, so switch wall socket. Avoid USB Type-C ports or just USB ports on laptops because they transmit low power. Try a direct wall charger and many more. Check the charging settings. Open the settings in your phone, go here to the battery, and where was that? I need to find this because I can't find this right here. Charge boost. Enable the charge boost. When charge boost is on, your phone will optimize charging by slightly boosting charging speed. This process may heat up your device. Make sure this is enabled. And that should be it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comment section down below. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.